Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming requirements: an iPhone on iOS 16 or later, and a HomeKit smart plug controlling the charger. Once they're ready, sign into iCloud and open the Home app to add the smart plug. Make sure Shortcuts has permission to run automations and control home items. You'll act immediately to create an automation. Do not skip permissions. This ensures the phone can trigger the plug based on battery level and reliably stop charging when you reach your chosen limit. Open Shortcuts, tap Automation, and make a new personal automation triggered by battery level. Set the trigger to rises above 80% or equals 80% depending on your preference. Choose a single percentage to avoid repeated triggers. Next, add an action. Search Home, pick Control Home, and choose the smart plug that powers your charger to turn off. Save the automation and enable Ask before running to OFF for seamless action. Test by charging briefly to confirm the plug turns off at the chosen limit. With the automation saved, label it so you know its purpose and enable notifications to confirm it ran. Make sure optimized battery charging stays enabled for long-term battery health. This automation just prevents full 100% topping. If the automation doesn't run, first confirm the smart plug is online in Home and the iPhone is on the same network. Then verify Shortcuts has background app refresh and home control permissions. If problems persist, reboot the plug, update firmware, and retry the automation test to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.